My name is Maria. I'm nearly 60 years old and I decided to have full mouth implants. I was recommended to NURIDENT from a friend and it's been a journey that I have not regretted. I came in July and had all my teeth taken out and basal implants fitted in. Went home with temporary teeth. 4 months later I came back and I have my lovely forever teeth now. I chose the basal implants as being a smoker. These were recommended for people with diabetes and smokers. Dr. Nuri was the founder of these basal implants, which I'm very pleased. So I didn't have to have any sinus lifts or bone grafts, which I didn't really fancy having done. I have returned now, 4 months later, and I have my forever teeth, and I'm so pleased with them. Anybody that is thinking of doing or going down this road, I would recommend NURIDENT.